it won't start. And so I just been doing some research on the internet about how to get this thing to start. My truck isn't cranking. I don't know where to start looking at for the problem.
It could be the battery though.
It's okay.
Yeah, within 20 days, your battery probably cold and low. Probably just need like a jump. Ask somebody that can jump your batteries.
Okay. So I got to tell my dispatcher. I got to call my dispatcher and tell my dispatcher like what it is, you know. Let her know that we ain't gonna do this whole. Let somebody come and give me a jump. Like I don't know if my car can jump a truck. Can a car jump a semi-truck? Any 12-volt system can start any other 12-volt system. But in the case of jumping a semi with a car, you will need to run the car at a higher idle to generate enough amps. You may need to wait a while to charge the semi's batteries because the semi's truck's diesel takes more amps to start than a car. You'll get the jumping cables and jump it with the charger. Alright, so how do I even do this? Like, how to jump start? We gotta watch a video, y'all. Alright, y'all. We done made it to the hood. Alright. Gotta get the jumper cables. Hopefully these things long enough, y'all, because if they ain't long enough, I don't know how. And the good thing about being a truck driver is at night when you down and out, it's early in the morning, but it's dark and everything, and you know that can have an effect on your mood and everything. Just seeing other truck drivers out here getting it too, and they out here at 3 o'clock in the morning, that's like one of the most beautiful things about being a truck driver, because you're not out here alone. Like, even though y'all might not know each other, y'all might all be strangers, you're still not out here alone. Like, they out here with you. We are back. We're gonna see if this charger can jump this truck, because I did not think, I mean, I thought maybe the batteries could be it, but I wasn't sure, so I just called my brother, since he been doing this longer than me. And I've been doing this for a good minute. I'm coming up on 5 years, but I ain't never had to jump my truck before. And I don't even know how to jump my truck. I feel like we need to back up some more. We kind of close, but we're not close enough. I don't think these things, yeah, we gotta back up some more, y'all. Gotta back up some more. All right, let's back up just a little bit more. We'll use the camera to let it help us. It's already beeping, it's just like, gee, why are you backing up this much? All right, y'all, we gotta get as close as possible, because the batteries is right up in here. And yeah, and the trunk, the battery. Please be long enough. Alright. Now we gotta find the positive and the negative. So, okay. Negative times a negative equals a positive. What's the fat black battery? Are these the terminals? Y'all, I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm gonna just be frank. Discharge positive. Then discharge negative, I guess. put, that's the positive. And the negative. Okay. Now we have to have it charged for a little bit. Let's see if this works. I don't know if it's supposed to be at 12 point something. Like, I feel like it's supposed to be higher than that. I'm not sure if it can stay at 12.7. Maybe we should let it get at 12.8 or 12.9 or 13 before we try to crank it. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. All right, so we're gonna see if this truck cranks real quick, like. All right, let's do the cold start. Please crank. 3.1. Oh, it's 12.8 volts. Maybe that's enough. I don't know. Let's try it. Oh, shooky now. Right, well, crank. There we go. All right, y'all. So we are finally under our tank. We're loaded. Battery is showing good. 14 volts, 14.1. Got the tank loaded and everything. Everything working. We're good. Logs on. And yeah, time to get up out of here. And let's ride.